yes. Hi everybody, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be cooking indoors. I'll be preparing for you one of my favorite seasonal salads, an Heirloom Tomato Salad, in honor of my tomatoes that came in my garden this year, which I am very pleased about. So, let's see these ingredients coming up next. Alright, let's take a look at our ingredients for tomato salad. And we'll start with the star of the show. Here's our heirlooms that I got at a local farmer's market. These little guys came out of my garden along with these yellow cherries and these red cherries came out of my garden. Also have rendered bacon that I chopped, red onion, minced shallots, 1 jalapeno, cilantro pluches, celery tops, fresh basil, and the basil and the celery came out of my garden, medium diced mozzarella, steak mozzarella, almonds. Let's make our way over here. I have some bacon grease that I saved when I rendered that bacon, red wine vinegar, and I'm macerating some minced shallots in the vinegar and extra virgin olive oil. And it's all going to come together in that small saute pan. Beautiful. Let's get this salad on the road. Alright, let's cut by cutting this onion here. So we just want a julienne red onion. So I'm going to cut the top and the bottom. I'm going to cut right here since that's a seam right there. Okay, I'm going to cut this guy in half. We don't quite need it that large. I think that's all we need right there for one salad. Alright, let's cut this jalapeno into half moons. So I'm going to cut the end off, the top. My knife needs to get sharpened. Now the seeds and the stems I'm going to remove with this spoon. I'm just simply going to peel off the stems and the seeds. If you like the spice, you could certainly leave them on. I don't mind it, but I'm showing you how to. Perhaps you don't, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So at this point, I'm just going to cut half moons. So we just have the flavor and not so much of the spice, although I do love the spice. Alright, so what we have here is red wine vinegar, and these minced shallots have been macerating in here for a couple hours. So I'm just going to whisk in some EVO. Very simple. We're going to wait till that froth is up, a little frothy, and then I'm going to add EVO a little bit at a time. You're going to do your best to emulsify at the moment, but it's going to break on you. There's really no emulsifier aside from the olive oil. I'm going to add just a dash of salt. Let's give that a taste. That's fine. That's all we need for now. Simple, simple, simple. Right, let's cut these tomatoes. Larger heirlooms, I'm just going to steak. About 1/4 of an inch. That's all you need. These are the steaks. We don't need the crown. Now for these little guys, actually let me do this guy here. Take this. We start from here. We're gonna go down the center. Then we're gonna 1/4 them. And at this point, I'm gonna remove the stemmy part of the tomato. Now from here, I made a cut here, and there's a cut here. I'm gonna follow this seam over and do that cut, and I'm gonna do one more with the other seam, so we get a nice fancy cut right there. Let me do that again. I'm gonna cut the core off, bam, and we have this triangle here, so we're gonna cut right along that seam, and we're gonna cut right along this seam. We'll do that again right here, and that's one. So you have 2 cuts of tomato right there. Beautiful, beautiful. Now the cherries, and these are called pear yellow tomatoes. Pear yellow tomatoes. So here we're just gonna cut these in half, lengthwise. Same thing with these little cherries. Let me do that again. Let me get another pear. Go right down the top, lengthwise. Same thing with this cherry, right down the top lengthwise. Bam. I'm going to get these in a bowl, and I'm going to season them with salt and salt only. Alright, time to season up these tomatoes, and all I'm going to add is just salt and fresh cracked pepper. Now we're just going to let these hang out. We're going to fire that warm vinaigrette up next. Alright, let's fire up this vinaigrette. So we're going to start up with just about a tablespoon of olive oil. And to it, I'm going to add the bacon grease. We're going to let this go. We're going to go in some minced shallots, almonds. They're roasted almonds, they're just unseasoned. Obviously we're going to season here. You could use candied almonds, you could use pistachios or wonderful, whatever nut you enjoy. Then I'm going to add some julienne red onions. I'm going to hit it with a little bit of salt. Red cracked pepper. Wow, you can smell this, that's incredible. I'm going to go ahead and add the jalapenos, the half-blown jalapenos. And to it, I'm going to add our vinaigrette. bacon, rendered bacon. Let me give that a taste. Turn off the heat. And this is our warm vinaigrette right here. I just want to break down the red onions a little bit. I love them just raw. You might too. Don't want to burn myself here. A little bit of everything. Holy smokes. That is delicious. Let's finish off the salad. Alright, to these beautiful tomatoes, I'm going to add parsley pluches. I'm going to tear some celery pluches. And the celery tops just go amazing with these tomatoes. There's no denying when you bite into one of these celery tops, but with the tomatoes, I think, oh my god, the flavor is incredible. Sure, I have some to garnish here. And I'm going to tear some fresh basil right into the tomatoes. Just tearing it. Nothing too fancy, just some fresh, wholesome stuff coming out of my garden. I mean, what more do you want? Or do I want? I should say. And I'm going to go ahead and add the vinaigrette that we just finished. Along with our cubed mozzarella. And let's give these guys a turn. Oh wow, look at this. That looks amazing. Ooh. I'm gonna put the steaks in here too, the the mozzarella steaks. Because you'll see, it all comes together when I start plating it. Let me give this a taste. With a little bit of bacon. A little bit of everything here. Let's see here. Holy smokes. That's so good. Let's plate this beautiful salad up next. Alright, let's plate this tomato salad. We're going to start with the tomato steaks and the mozzarella steaks. Followed by the tomato wedges. Then our beautiful cherry tomatoes and lovely yellow pear tomatoes. Making sure we have all the special stuff, meaning the bacon, the mozzarella cubes, beautiful. Alright, let's finish her off with a fresh parsley basil sprig, a celery sprig, and finally, but not least, our parsley sprig. And we're going to finish her off with more more bacon. And there you have it, folks. My seasonal heirloom tomato salad. Let's give her a taste. All right, let's give her a taste. Beautiful. Oh my God, that is gorgeous. Nothing says summer is here more, well, than maybe fireworks and heirloom tomatoes. So let me go in. I want as much of the stuff as I can. I want some of these pear tomatoes, little cherries, some mozzarella, some bacon. The bacon just brings everything together. The almonds, the mozzarella, the fresh herbs, the jalapenos, the red onions, all being just carried to your palate by the bacon and the vinaigrette that's in there. I'm gonna go in for one more, I'm sorry. The celery tops. Oh my God. I hope you enjoyed this video. What a delicious salad. What a delicious salad. I can't say enough. Comment below if you give this a try and you like it. Well, thanks for stopping by. And we'll see you here next time on The Guy Show. And oh yes, like, share, and subscribe. And tell your friends. Thanks again. Bye-bye, everybody.